By using Huntington Mobile, you'll be able to view account balances and history, deposit checks, transfer funds, pay bills, locate office branches, find ATMs, and contact a representative. Hello everyone, I hope you all are having an amazing time. Today I'm back with another tutorial video, and in this video I'll be guiding you guys to the steps of signing in to your Huntington account. So let's get started and find out how that can be done. First of all, open the app Huntington. After that, you'll be able to see this interface. To sign in, you'll have to enter your username and password, enter the details, and then tap on login, and that's it. You'll be logged into your Huntington account. So we have come to the end of the video. I hope this video was helpful for you guys. If it was, then please make sure to like, leave a comment, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel, TechQuest. We'll be back with more such videos. Until then, have a great time. Bye bye.